Okay, so the more observant Mobile Europe viewers will realize that we're here on the Tellabs stand. We can see the name behind us here. I've been joined by Ben McCahill. Ben, Tellabs, just give us the old 10-second pitch on what Tellabs is and what you hope to achieve here at the show.
Sure. Hi, Keith. Tellabs is a global company. Annual revenues approaching 2 billion. Our focus areas are optical networking, business services, and mobile backhaul. Our customers include the likes of BT and Vodafone.
So you are obviously taking traffic down off the cell sites and into the core.
Yeah, with mobile backhaul, we're focusing on operating excellence. So it's improving the margins and improving the scalability of mobile backhaul for operators.
Must be interesting because everyone's saying one of the themes of the show is that there's a huge increase in mobile data usage, and so operators obviously have to deal with that in their networks. And is that difficult for them to do?
It's a challenge and it's an opportunity. We've recently announced survey results. We did it in conjunction with Nielsen, where we surveyed 50,000 end users over 6 countries. The survey was undertaken in the November timeframe, so it was done in the full realization of the horrors of the current economic situation. And the survey demonstrated very clearly that mobile backhaul as a service proposition is here to stay. For the end users who are currently using mobile data services, over 50% of them said that they would increase their usage to once or more a day. And for those who have not yet made use of mobile data services, the numbers will increase by over 25% between the next 12 and 24 months. So it's a great opportunity for operators. I mean, in the current situation, operators are focusing on growth opportunities, they're focusing on improved margins, and they're focusing on customer satisfaction. And this particular opportunity hits all 3 of those buttons.
And it's an illustration for them that customers, the customer demand is there right across all the services, or are there specific services that they need to think about being able to support?
There was the survey went into 10 areas. They looked at 10 application areas, from mobile backhaul through to emailing, through to downloading of songs, through to MMS, and in all of those areas there were significant growth opportunities over the next 12 to 24 months.
And all of that means more traffic, but operators presumably can't just scale their networks in a linear fashion in terms of their investments. So how do they meet that challenge coming off the network?
That's for sure, yeah. The solution that we offer allows operators to deliver the last mile using copper, using conventional microwave, using adaptive or Ethernet-based microwave solutions, or fiber. So in all cases, they'll be able to make use of the lowest cost transport option for the last mile to help improve their margins.
And in terms of the priorities of investment that operators have, where would you place backhaul at the moment? Or where should it be?
Well, I think it actually is very, very high on their agenda. We have heading on for 90 network wins worldwide now, with 30 to 40 in the EMEA. So it's a demonstration that operators are tackling this problem, and they're tackling it from a strategic perspective.
So are there any specific challenges that Tellabs can help operators with in this area?
Well, the message from Tellabs is that this is a strategic problem and that it needs to be tackled in a strategic fashion. We've seen over time that there's been tactical responses to ATM swap-outs, to DSL offload opportunities, to expanding the backhaul. So if these are treated in a piecemeal or a tactical way, then you can leave some money on the table. So what we're saying is begin with the end in mind. We're heading towards an all-IP network. The data growth is going to continue. It's not going away, as the survey clearly shows. So rather than tackling each of these tactical opportunities, look at it from a strategic perspective.
Okay, thank you.